Hello everyone. I have some more packaging which I'm gonna do in 2 different videos because otherwise this video is going to be too long. So let's see what I am going to do. That's one and one, and then there is a package here. So I'm gonna do like this because I think there's more than there's like 4 in here. So 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm gonna do it like this. So this is going to be another video. I'm sorry for the noise. Sometimes I do not realize how loud it is on camera. So I'm apologizing. Which one is that? I can't remember. It's been too long. I ordered it in March, so it's been 3 months since I ordered this. I didn't think I would receive it, so yeah, luckily it did. So I can't really remember which paintings are in here. I do keep track which one I ordered with my inventory cards, but since I don't know which one are in here, alright, that I don't need anymore. Alright, let's see. I'm gonna take them out first, like I always do. And excuse my voice, I don't know what's wrong, but alright, maybe it's from all the talking on my work. So I have 5 beautiful paintings. I think that one is a horse. Oh yeah, I remember now. Yeah. So I'm gonna start with the ones that are already open. I hope everyone is doing well in these times. So that's my beautiful tiger. I love it. So these are the ones from eBay. So how many colors do we have? 19 colors, which is not bad for a small painting. Yeah, so these are the PGX packaging. Some beautiful colors. I have 2 packs of black. Yeah, so it don't seem like so black in here, but yeah. So how many was it? 3 or 4? I think it was a 4. Wait, 3. I think so. It doesn't really matter as long as they are in a package. I don't really care. Okay. And if they are available, I will put them in the link below in the description. So I have to say, the ones that I saw are like double the price from the ones I bought in time. That's due to the coronavirus, but I will put the links down below, not down below, but in the description. So if anyone has any interest, you can buy your own. But like I say, they are more expensive than the one I bought. So yeah, okay. Let's do the other one. So that one, oh yeah, is my kitty. I think this one, yes, this one is a square. You might have seen this one in another video, I think. Yes. It was also a 30 by 30, but I think this one is actually smaller. It does look smaller. So how much is this? Yeah, I think it's a little bit smaller, but yeah, no DMC codes on the canvas. It's beautiful printed, as you can see, so that's very nice. The DMC codes are on the packaging, so that's awesome. I have 25 colors, which is huge for such a small painting. So this one is going to be very detailed, I think. If it keeps turning. Some beautiful colors. I have the other kitties and foxes in this style. I think this one I bought for my mother because she loved the picture, so this one is going to her. Yeah, I think she will love it. Alright, then we have this. I don't know why they are separate, but some beautiful colors. It's really going to be a beautiful picture. And with 25 colors, how can that not? Huh? It has more colors than one I did for my father, which was 21 colors, and that was like a very big one. So yeah, so this one is going to be gorgeous, gorgeous. All right, let's do this one. So this is a wallet. Oh no, it sticks a bit to the canvas. I don't know if you can see it, but it lifted a little bit, but that's not so bad. That's an easy fix. Here we go. So it's a beautiful wolf. As you might know, if you follow me a while and you watch my videos, I adore animals. So yeah, I have another wolf. It's gorgeous. So I have the DMC codes on the canvas, but not on the packaging, which is okay because I do have them. This is also a round, and I don't seem to find the opening of this thing. Oh yeah, here. It's a very strange packaging, this one. It feels, I don't know, cheap. But as long, oh no, I just felt, and it's not even from this one. Alright, so we have some beautiful colors. That's one. I just have to be careful because I found a loose drill and it doesn't seem like it's from here, so maybe from that. No. So I have a loose drill, but it's not from this painting, which is alright. Yeah, I have many colors for what it seems to be like brown and gray wolf, but I have so many other colors in here. 24 colors, can you believe that? These packs are full, almost. So I think that is for maybe the wolf itself or the background. Yeah, I have some little bit of black in here, which is nice. So 2 more to go. That's it for this video, but there will be another video with the other ones that I received, because this video is going to be too long, and I'm curious which this one is, because I can't remember which this one could be. So, oh yeah, now I remember. Now you can see how long it's been. I couldn't remember which one that was. So it's my little cutie owl. I had this one, but I wanted to have it bigger because I love that cutie. Look at that face. Isn't he cute? 23 colors, and I think it's the first time that I receive a painting with only one one side that has these symbols. Normally it's 2 sides, but that's okay. I have the DMC codes on the packaging, but yeah, I already can see that I will have some problem with one drill, and I'm gonna show you in a second. I don't know if you can see it, but I think this one is going to stick. Can you see that? I don't know. It's the 4 here. Look at that. I'm going to have so much trouble. Look how that sticks there. It's terrible. So yeah, and it seems like other colors have it as well. So yeah, can you see that? Look, it's almost every color that has it, but the 4 has it much worse. This 2 has it as well. Not that bad, but yeah, the 4 has it worse. I don't know if the rest have it, but yeah, here's another one. You can already see it here. It doesn't, it sticks to the packaging. No, this one is not going to be fun at all. But it does look all true to the colors that are on the canvas, so I'm not going to open this. Yeah, I was looking forward for this one, but now that I have seen the drills, I'm not so excited to do this one. So yeah, it's going to be one not for right now, that's for sure. Alright, then I have I'm pretty sure that's my brown horse that is running. Pretty sure that it's that one. I'm gonna close the window. Yes, it's my horse. It is my horse. Oh no, again with the sticking canvas here. It's only a corner, that's alright. It still is okay, not needed. So that's my brown horse. Beautiful. I love it. So no DMC codes for this one. 21 colors, which is okay. I see that I already have yellow for my horse. I don't know why I put. I think that is more for the like the shading of him. Her. I think it's maybe a her. I don't know. So what do we have? So we have yellow. Yeah, it's a beautiful color, that I do have to say. Yeah, some beautiful color, which I don't know how many colors I need for a horse, but alright. There are many different browns. Then we have some blues, which is for the background, I think. For the, I think there are flowers, or supposed to be flowers. Then we have some green for the grass, some more brown. Yes, they are beautiful colors, that I do have to say. And it doesn't seem like it's thick. This one is black and full. I don't know how many black do I need, but it doesn't seem like I need that much. Yeah, it doesn't seem like I do need that much of black. So I'm gonna try to put them back how I found it. It's gonna make it so much easier. Alright, that I don't need. Alright, so this is everything for this video. I hope you enjoy your day, your morning or your evening. I don't know where you live when you watch this video. So I hope you're doing well, keep safe and healthy, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.